Hey guys, welcome back to my tea party. If you are new here, hello and welcome. My name is Takoa, and a few things that you can expect here at my tea party are planner related videos, sticker book flip throughs, and I love to show you how I organize all of my happy things and also sharing with you some helpful planner related tips and ideas. And I love to do all those things while sipping on my favorite cup of sweet iced tea. Now, if you are interested in seeing more videos here at my tea party, I do hope you consider clicking that red subscribe button and that notification bell. So in today's video, I am actually going to be unboxing some earphones that was sent to me by this company called SUDIO. They actually reached out to me on Instagram to try out some of their earphones and also to share this with you guys. So if you are interested in finding out more about this company and checking out my earphones, then stick around. All right, so let's go ahead and check out these earphones. So again, SUDIO reached out to me on Instagram and asked if I could review and share this with you guys. And I thought, I cannot wait to show you what earphones was sent to me and what color I chose. And I know you're probably thinking this is a different type of video. This has nothing to do with planners, but technically it is planner related, and I'll share that with you. So this is my first time opening this. I love this. So it comes just like this. I only picked out earphones, and this is a pretty big box, to be honest with you, just for earphones. So they may have included some other stuff in here, and I think so. So we're going to check those out. So that's the box. All right. And let's see. Oh, look at this. So here are my earphones. And let's see, I got some other goodies in here. Ooh, and a cute black box. And we're going to check out that to see what's inside of that. I think I know what's in this one. All right, so a little bit about the company SUDIO. SUDIO actually makes elegant earphones that offers studio quality sound and their contemporary Scandinavian design. It is so cute. Look at this. It is so different from any other earphones that I've seen. And the ones that I've used, I'm not really happy with it. So to get something like this, I think is going to work for me. And I kind of like the design of it. So this particular design is called the TOLV, T-O-L-V. That's the design that I chose. And I like it because of just the design of it. So here are some specs of it. It is a true wireless earphones with charging case and graphene driver. It is Bluetooth 5.0, instant pairing mode, and 7-hour playtime. It also comes with 4 extra charges, which is always awesome. And you get a total of 4 different sizes for your earplugs, which that is always good to kind of change out. So I'm not for sure what my ear size is, so I'm gonna have to test that out as well. So let me go ahead and open this right on up so you can get a closer look. But I think the picture itself is like really, really good. Now, again, like I said, you're probably wondering, like, you know, Takoa, how is this planner related? So the reason why I picked this is because at times when I do plan, or if you're a planner and you're just wanting to plan on the go, or you're planning on your couch, how cool would it be to have some earphones in your ear listening to a podcast while you plan? So I just think that this is really good for us planner babes, and it could be planner related, you know, even when we want to listen to our favorite planner podcast or something like that. That'll be awesome. So let me figure out how to get this open. All right. Oops. All right. Oh, look at this. So, all right, that's the box there. Look at the little case that it comes in. Oh my gosh, we're going to check this out in a minute. Oh, this is so soft. Look at this. So this is the case. Oh my goodness. So with its wireless design, minimalistic charging case, and the microphones on both sides of this, the TOLV is a perfect match for any adventure. Like, look at that. This is nice and clean. Like, this is really high class. I feel like I spent a lot for this. So here, this is the design. Look, it's already on. Did y'all notice that? Like, it's already blinking. So yeah, it's already like ready to pair. So I cannot wait. And then that little magnet just kind of the little magnet there. And see, it has the R, so you know it's for the right ear, and it just kind of snaps right in there. And so it's red now, it's charging. Now if I take this one off, oh, see that one's blinking? It is ready to go. And then this is the left side of the earbud. Look at that. Oh, that is nice. Easy to close, very soft. I love the little wristlet here that you can use, and charge before use. So I will definitely do that. I will definitely charge that because I do see the, oh, look at this. All right, let me take my time. Okay, sorry. All right, so what I do like about this, so you can charge it here. I'm trying to think of like the different charging ports. So you can charge it here. That's one charger. You can charge it this way. That's two. Oh, that's so cute. Oh my gosh. All right, let's open this up. See what we get in the inside. All right, so let's check this out. So that's our charging dock, our charging port here. These look like the extra different sizes of the earbuds, which I think it is. Oh yes. So this could be for anyone, adult and all the way down to children, I believe, because these are smaller ones. All right, so here you get your larger ones here. I will believe this is the larger one. This is the medium and the small. I'm not for sure what size this is on here. But let me see. Actually, let me check out and see if this is going to fit my ear. Ooh. I like how that feels. It's nice and soft in there. But I don't believe this is my size. I believe it could be a little, it's too big, so I am going to have to take it off. So let's try taking it off and see how easy it is to remove. Oh, that was easy. And let's try this smaller one. And then look how easy that is to just put on, change out and put on. All right. Yes. Okay. So the smaller ones are more my size. Yes. So the smaller ones are my size. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put this one back in. And then I'm going to change this one out as well, so that when I charge it and I'm ready for it, it is good to go. There we go. Let me make sure that's the right size. Yes. All right. And then I'm going to put that one back in. Oh, I'm loving this. All right. So let's put all these back in. And then we're going to talk some more about the specs on these. All right. So what else did I get? So I did get a charging cable, so I can plug this up and attach it on the back to charge it. And it should be compatible with Android because this looks like an Android like plug for charging port. But yeah, we'll talk some more about that. So I got that. And then I also got a, what is this? This is a guaranteed certificate. And it comes with a number, but I'm not going to show you that because I think that's personal for me. But it says this product has been subjected to our quality control. The high quality is a symbol of the fine reputation of the trademark. Your earphones are protected against manufacturing defects for 1 year from the date of purchase. Visit SUDIO.com, returns for instructions in case of malfunction. International warranty is only valid with proof of purchase. SUDIO. So we do get a guaranteed SUDIO guarantee certificate. So I am going to keep a track of that. And then it comes with an owner's manual. So that is always helpful. And I am the type of person, I do keep up with these. So I will definitely keep this. So yeah. So you get your owner's manual, start to finish, and it comes in, let's see how many languages it comes in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 different languages for this owner's manual. So that is awesome. And then you get a help center, recommended fit. I will do that. And then, okay, so that's just telling me how to set it up. All right, so again, let's take a look at these earbuds, y'all. I am in love with these earbuds. So these sophisticated earbuds actually hold 7 hours of battery life, while the portable case, which is this right here, offers 4 additional charges for an astounding 6 days of standby life. So even if I don't put this on in the charger itself, I still have 6 days. So if I'm not using it and I have it sitting for like 2 and 3 days, I still have a full charge, which I absolutely love that, because the majority of the time my other earphones or headsets, they lose the charge even when I'm not using it. And then when I want it, it doesn't have any charge and I have to wait another hour or so for it to kind of get its full charge and all that stuff. And I just don't have time for that. So this is good to know. Now, the 12 also introduces its new graphene driver, which is this right here, for the intense, clear sound quality. It also features the latest Bluetooth 5.0, which we talked about, technology that also is compatible with iOS and Android, and up to 15 meters of range. So that's sometimes I like to kind of put this in when I'm listening to music, or if I'm on the phone with some friends. We like to do like little video calls and chats. And so this will be good to kind of chit chat and have my phone in my room still charging, but then still having this paired to my phone so I'm able to use it. So I'm glad, because I do have an Android cell phone. So that is good to know. Really, really, really good. Super excited about that. All right, so enough about the headphones, because I really can talk about these headphones all day. I was really excited. Oh, that is so cute. So let's move on to this beautiful little black box and see what's inside of this. All right, so look at this. This is actually, I'm going to repurpose this because I just think that, oh, look how packaged, cute and packaged that is. Like, I don't even want to take it out now. All right, so let's check this out. Ooh, okay, so this is actually, SUDIO did mention to me that they were doing a promotion or a campaign where they're running a back to school campaign where they will include a SUDIO black card holder, which is almost like a small wallet, free of charge with every purchase. So every purchase that you make, you will get one of these little wallets. And I think this would be good to throw in our planner bag. So if we're going to kind of throw in like our maybe our little planner cards, maybe our driver's license, to kind of have, you know, to throw in our planner bags. So it has 1, 2, 3, 4 little card slots here, and then you can put some other stuff in this little top portion here. So a total of 5. So I think this would be really cute to actually use personally as well. So if I want to go out and I have a cute little clutch purse, I can throw this in. And I actually have the Happy Planner planner purse in the mini size. This would be great to kind of throw in as well when I just need to kind of grab my little, like my driver's license and my bank cards, just kind of grab it really quick instead of opening that up. This would be great to have in there as well. Oh, and I forgot to mention, SUDIO also gave me my own personalized discount code to share with my Tea Party squad. Oh my goodness. So if you want to go ahead and pick you up some matching earphones like your girl, Southern Tea Time, please make sure you use my discount code TEATIME15. That gives you 15% off of your purchase so that we can be rocking and planning together in style with these sophisticated, cute earphones. Okay, like this is so stinking cute. Now I do want to remind you, my discount code does expire. This does not last forever. Now my discount code does expire November 14th, 2020. So make sure you put that in your planner, note that in there somewhere, so that if you want to still just kind of figure out if you really want to go ahead and rock some of these earphones, then you know that you have until November 14th of 2020. I would just love for you to go ahead and check out SUDIO and see other options out there. They do have other designs. I just chose this particular design, which is the TOLV, T-O-L-V, because of just the different look of it. I haven't really seen any look of these type of earphones, so I wanted to, you know, try it out and check it out and stuff. So I hope you enjoyed this video and unboxing, and I hope that I gave you some planner tips and ideas of how this can be planner related and how you can use this within your planners. So if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and I hope that you consider subscribing to my tea party if this is your first time here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching.